All right, just in time for summer here. 2013 Ford Mustang convertible. This particular one is a V6 Premium Edition. So we have the 3.7 liter V6 underneath the hood. This particular car is a two-owner vehicle. Local vehicle here has never been driven in the winter months. So very nice shape. A little over 36,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Nice looking car. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the undersides, check out the interior, engine bay, trunk, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you can click on a link. That's also going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us. Be happy to help you out with this car. 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on the Ford alloy wheels, what it came with stock. This is the vinyl Mustang straight down along the lower door. You can see the paint in this car. It is the race red. It's not dinged, nicked, scratched. In nice shape. One little touch up over on the driver's side that I'll show you when we get around there. But as you can see, the nose, front fascia, bumper, hood. You might find a couple real small ones, but overall, very nice shape, especially up and down the sides of it. This one has had the interior changed up in a little bit, where it's a two-tone leather bucket seat, front and rear. It is paired with an automatic transmission, does have a power top. Now that premium package, I didn't mention that earlier, that would have had the leather trimmed front and rear seats. Does have the 4-inch, like a 4.2-inch color LED display that's in the dash to give you that readout. Also would have the Ford Sync system, shaker audio system with 8 speakers, including the 2 subs, Sirius XM. Have the universal garage door opener in it, and then those 17-inch wheels that we just mentioned, and some other options. That's just kind of going through them off the top of my head. Again, give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures, see the underside, interior, trunk. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Again, two-owner 2013 Ford Mustang Convertible Premium V6. Again, you can see up and down the driver's side here too. Also in nice shape. One little touch up I did notice getting in and out of it. It's kind of a little touch up that's been done there. Pretty tough to get it to show up. Overall, again, very nice shape. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Check out the door panels. Still has original floor mats. You can see the seats are in nice shape with the red inlay and the leather. Does have the black vinyl top. Vinyl top also is in nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check the exact miles. It's 36,000 and some odd. I think it was. Let's find out. Yep, 36,412 if you can see that. No warning indicators on or anything like that. See, the gauges are all working. Just the seatbelt light over there is the only one because I don't have a seatbelt on. There's that center display I was talking about. Shaker stereo system, automatic transmission. So, stock interior. This car has not been altered, except for it looks like the seat covers that were redone. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. So we can pop that hood. Just want to check out the engine bay. Let's see how clean and tidy that is. All right, here you go. Smooth running car. 3.7 liter. V6 underneath the hood, of course. Steering, brakes, AC, all the goodies. The strut tower brace going across. Give it a little more rigidity with a convertible. Nice smooth running car. Are you looking for a drop top, fun summer car, economical? Here you go. Give us a call. 2013 Ford Mustang Premium Edition V6 convertible. 507-386-1726. Again, the website uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on the link that's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'd be happy to help you with transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.